Hi folks, been here with Pierre Driving School, covering driving lesson again, left and right. All right, so yeah, Pierre Driving School, we do everything driving. So if you want us to do anything for you in particular, put it in the comment below, as that's where we get most of our video lesson topic coming from. All right, making a left turn here, mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn. When we stop, we like to see the tire of the car in front of us touching the ground. Car over park on the right, we go on signal the attention. See the human caution, we covering the brake and pay attention moving forward. Okay, I'm looking to see, I already see some activities here. I'm covering my brake, make sure I proceed with caution. The double park on my right side, I'm gonna go, on my left side actually, I'm gonna go to my right, signal my intention, do a quick glance. No biker, no pedestrian, nobody squeezing in. Okay, continue to go. Covering my brake, rolling around those car here. So in case any human jumping. Person keep honking, let them clear. You know why all this honking, now what are you gonna do? Alright folks, this is how we operate. Give these people time to do what they wanted to do. Because in the end, don't need all this extra so early in this morning for that. Now, those people who said that driving can be a little bit hard. Yes, I understand that. But when you practice enough, you'll get better eventually. All right. Hopefully, if your can is better to practice with driving instructor, then you get way better because you're gonna be learning things that you're supposed to be learning in order for you to be safe on the road and pass your road test. Full stop here. All the way stops actually. Make a single stop. Now I'm falling back to yield right away to pedestrian. Let them clear. Continue to go there. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. The traffic is in my favor because the light is 10 when I was coming. I got enough room to clear. Car behind me was picking up speed too. Whenever you're coming out of the light that begin to blink, always take a quick look at the inner mirror to see if there's nobody behind you picking up speed because you'll be in shock what these people will do. before fully engage on the accelerator, always take a quick glance. Always glance those corners. I'll be glitching them. Make sure that nobody is squeezing in. Okay, I was falling back to make sure that I have clearance ahead so I don't get hanging at the crosswalk. You do not want to do that. Signal intention, signal to the left, because you have to go over on the left lane here because I've just got a double park to the right side. Your right shoulder, right, bring it back to your shoulder. Right turn up the light here. Shoulder right. Gonna go on my left turn because I want to make a left turn here. Heavy left intersection turn, cross traffic as the right away. We have to make sure I get your full clearance. Good to go. Mirror left, shoulder left. Take the turn. Bumpy wood, we slow down. A lot of content going on here. Squeezing in with my signaling. Foot cover on the brake. My foot cover on the brake. All right, folks? Nothing on the accelerator. You do not want those confrontation with your foot on the accelerator in the event of any stupidity. All right? Car has enough strength. Foot cover on the brake. Let the car pull you through. You know, everyday driving lesson, things that you encounter in the everyday lesson. You got this guy, he's reversing on me. Welcome to Brooklyn, folks. all the way stop sign. We're here first, continue. Right on at the corner here. Full stop, make 2 mandatory stop. First for the humans, right over here. Left to the right, no humans. Second at the center of the crosswalk for traffic. Okay. Start creeping up. There's a little blind spot on my left side. That spot is quite clear. Mirror right, shoulder right, and continue to go. At the light, you're making a right turn. Folks, there you have it. Alright, this has been with Pierre Driving School. Until then, keep practicing. Last care and subscribe. Take care now. Bye-bye.